Well, this is my kitchen window, and we're going to take a picture of some birds taking a bath. Won't that be fun? Good grief, Charlie Brown. Speaking of Charlie Brown, did you ever notice he's the only one of the Peanuts characters where they always call him by his first and last name? Oh yeah, so says you, Charlie Brown. They never say Charlie. Isn't that interesting? There's Lucy and Linus and Snoopy, but not just Charlie. Lucy, Linus, Snoopy, and Charlie Brown. You always have to use his last name. It's just one of the little things in life that people take for granted and don't think about. But folks, you've got to be aware of these things in order to make life more interesting. By the way, I want to turn this around and show you my shirt. I've had it many, many, many years, and it's been washed so many times that the feel is so smooth now. You hate to throw it away, even though it's starting to fall apart. But it's so light and cool. It's like you're not wearing anything. Wonderful summer shirt. I bet you have one too, don't you? And now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go outside and put some more water in the bird bath. And my doggies will probably follow me. Small hours of the garden. Hello. I see your window is open. I hope you're getting a nice breeze on this hot spring day, the 24th of April, 2009. Let me get some water here. Here's the water. You probably noticed my shirt, didn't you? Ah, yes. This is what life is all about. Cool shirts. One of the pleasures of living. I forgot to fill the water back up over here. My dogs always have to drink from the faucet when I turn it on. They think it's mandatory. Okay, now let's go have some breakfast.